Hey guys, welcome back. Kyle here, home with the Buffingtons. Today's honeydew is replacing this light fixture. We're going from this boring dome-like fixture to a crystal light fixture. Kerri picked one out, so I'll get it done. I'll take you guys along for the journey. So let's get to it. All right, so first thing I'm gonna do is get the power turned off to this thing. Safety first. All right, we got the power turned off. I think these two screw-looking things are holding this up here. We'll find out. All right. Definitely is. All right, let's double check. The light's out. It was on. This is probably an exclusive mount. Get these wire nuts off. And it's off. And this is probably going to come out, because I'm sure that one's going to be different. All right, let's get into the box and see what the new one looks like. All right, so I'm going to take this bracket out. It's not needed. And come up through. All right. Now I'm going to put the new one in, the new bracket. Let's see how this is going to fit. Now I'll get this thing ready to put the light up, and then we'll hook the cables up. Alright guys, neighbor Matt Giver also helped me with this light. I just couldn't hold it, wire it, and fasten it alone. So he came over after football practice. He is a youth football coach, and we got this put in. I still need to put all the little hanging crystal thingies, but I plan on doing that today after work. But yeah, looks pretty cool. Definitely different than what was in there before. So I hope you guys like it. Alright guys, another project is done. I only have one of the lights in here because I still have to hang all the crystals, and then I'll put the rest of the lights in. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. So consider clicking the subscribe button and then tick the bell icon so you'll be notified when I release new videos. Comment down below, let me know what you think about the new light, so we can blame Kerri or not. Alright guys, share them with your friends, and we will see you guys on the next one. Have a good one.